Hi, it's Craig Reese, your Deer Valley Specialist. We finally got our big storm here at Deer Valley. It's December 13th. Deer Valley got about 25 inches of snow last night. Skiing was great this morning. There's not a lot open, but what was open was pretty nice. I was trying to get some of the powder on the sides of the run, and it was so deep that I'd hit that snow and just stop. It'd be up to my mid-thigh. There really wasn't anything open that was steep enough to ski today. So we finally got a big storm. It's really nice. Yeah, there's a car underneath there. It's got the shape. Yep, it has the rear view mirror. It's buried. I'm up in front of the Cache condominiums in Upper Deer Valley. Looks like last night somebody had a tough time getting home. I mean, it just snowed like crazy, and that guy is going to have a lot of fun trying to get that car out of there. I'm up at Stag Lodge right now after this big snowstorm. You can see how much snow is on these tabletops. Yeah, they got about 25 inches of snow. It's pretty sweet. Got Freddie King in the background playing the blues here at Stag Lodge. It's snowing. All right, well, you know what to do. Get your plane ticket, pack your bags, get those skis waxed up, and get out to Deer Valley. Hope to see you here soon.